Old Harbour High is represented by Javon Folks, Abida Barnaby, Amelia Castle, and Monique Robinson, who is the captain. Mount Alvernia High is represented by Donnell Atkinson, Calicia Francis, Daniil Atkinson, and Lacion Monroe, who is also the captain. Now, one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Archibald Gordon. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Now, earlier we had the toss. Mount Alvernia won and decided to send Old Harbour first, so we begin with Old Harbour High. Old Harbour High, chemistry. What is the formula for lithium nitride?
Nitride.
So that is Ln.
That's incorrect. It's Li3N. Mount Alvernia High, chemistry. What is the formula for aluminium phosphate?
AlPO4.
AlPO4.
That's correct. Old Harbour High, local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ransford Braham.
Ransford Braham.
Government senator. That's correct. Mount Alvernia High, local affairs, also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Donna Morris Dixon.
That's incorrect. That's Dr. Sophia Longmore, government senator. History, Old Harbour High. In which century did the transatlantic slave trade begin?
The 14th century.
15th century.
15th century.
That's incorrect. It's the 16th century. Mount Alvernia High, history. Europeans transported African men, women, and children to the Caribbean and Americas to serve as slaves. This activity represents which leg of the triangular slave trade?
Second leg.
That's correct. Old Harbour High, music, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
It's peace and safety, a sudden destruction.
Bolly Rasta.
That's incorrect. It's Rat Race by Bob Marley. Music, Mount Alvernia High. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
People will fight it down. When you see
Exodus.
By Bob Marley. That's correct. Old Harbour High, physics. What form of electricity do you get when you rub two balloons and they stick together?
Static electricity.
That's correct. Mount Alvernia High, physics. What is the name for a type of electrical current in which the direction of the flow of electrons switches back and forth at regular intervals or cycles?
Circuit.
That's incorrect. It's alternating current. Old Harbour High, theatre and cinema, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Kingsley Ben.
Ben Kingsley.
Ben Kingsley.
That's incorrect. It's Dion Cole. Mount Alvernia High, theatre and cinema, also visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Alicia Page.
That's incorrect. It's Danielle Brooks. Spanish, Old Harbour High. What is the English translation for fuego alto while cooking?
Fuego alto.
Turn up the fire.
Turn up the fire.
That is incorrect. It means high heat. Spanish, Mount Alvernia High. What is the English translation for the statement, su pasaporte está caducado?
Your passport is expired.
Your passport is expired.
That's correct. Old Harbour High, sports, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Max Verstappen.
Max Verstappen.
Formula One driver, that's correct. Sports by Mount Alvernia High. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. To Mount Alvernia High.
Fernando Alonso.
Fernando Alonso.
Another Formula One driver, that's correct. And that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Old Harbour High on 3 and Mount Alvernia on 5. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. School Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.